shore.
Life's not short.
Going to college.
Going to college.
You can't stop us.
You can't stop us.
I said it's South Shore.
Hey,
We're looking smart today. There must be some scholars in class today. 'Cause we can read,
yeah,
and we can write,
yeah,
and we never quit until we get it right. I said, hey, 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 I'm feeling alright. I feel ready to learn. Listen, baby, we always work hard. We always do our best. Yes, just call our name. We'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry. 'Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to college. Slow it down now. This is the way.
hey,
We start the day.
hey,
We get the knowledge
hey,
to go to college.
hey,
But don't stop there.
hey,
Go anywhere.
hey,
This is the way.
hey,
We start the day.
hey.
We're gonna work. We're gonna care. We're gonna make this world more fair. It's up to us to see it through. So watch and see what we can do. Work hard, get smart. Woo, woo. Perimeter seating. I'm looking to add more names to following directions and focusing on the speaker. So let's see. Are we sitting tall? Are we crisscross? Are our eyes up? Are our mouths closed? Oh, I see kindergartners. I see smart learners. We're ready to go, sitting on our bottoms, showing that we can listen. All right, so we are going to think about the number of days we have been in school today. And yesterday, Daryl and EJ, do we have a problem? Can you let us help you solve that problem? Eyes up, let's help them solve the problem. You're feeling squished, so what can EJ do if he's feeling squished? Dylan, what can they do? Scoot over or scoot back. It doesn't look like there's any room to scoot over, but could you scoot back a little bit? That was very nice of you, Christina. We can add that to the kindness chain because you really helped him solve that problem. Okay, so yesterday we tried thinking about how many days we've been in school and adding it to 10 frames on paper. We're going to do that today also. So let's take a look at how many days we've been in school. Can you take your counting hands out? Counting hands out, please. We're going to count by 10. How many 10s do we have full?
2.
2. So let's do that 2 times. 10, 20. Now, yesterday we had 24 days. We have to think, what's 24 and one more? Tell your neighbor. Tell your neighbor, turn them top. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, eyes up. Eyes up, eyes up, eyes up.
Eyes up, eyes up, eyes up.
So, 24 plus 1 equals 25. So, oh, well, if you didn't turn and talk to somebody the next time, you can choose somebody on the left or right of you. So we're going to add one more. 24, 25. How did you know it was 25? Raise your hand if you want to share how you knew it was 25. How did you know it was 25, Nathan?
Because when the 4 comes, the 5 comes, so that makes 25.
So you're thinking of 4, then you know 5 comes next, and so you thought 24, 25 would come next. Anybody think of it differently? Zoe, how did you think about 24 plus 1?
Cause you know, when you count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's just the same, but there's a 2, a 4, and the 5.
So you're thinking of the pattern, maybe? Are you thinking about when we were talking about counting? We talked about 14, 15, and then we knew down below went 24, 25. Is that what you're thinking? Okay, so you knew that pattern continued. Anybody else think of it different? 24 plus 1, how did you get to 25, Naomi?
The pattern, but it's different because sometimes they have 2's and sometimes they have 2 and 3.
Are you thinking back to this again? No. So I'm asking on our 10 frame, How did you know that adding one more would make 25? You practice counting, you just know. Maybe some of us just knew the next number after 24 is 25. Did anybody look at our 10 frame and remember how many, if our top row is full, how many is that? If our top row of a 10 frame is full, how many is that?
25.
Well, are there 25 on this 10 frame? Oh, Zachary, can you say it a little louder?
5.
5. So if the top is full, we see 5, just like when we look at our quick image and we say, oh, we know that's 5. So 24 plus 1 is 25. Where can we tap 25? I'm going to ask for 3 volunteers. Clyde, then Jenny, then Naomi. Clyde, where are we going to tap it first? On our toes. Jenny, where are we going to tap it second? On our feet. And then where are we going to tap it third? Toes, feet, stomping. And then we're going to jump 25 times. So that's going to make us get up. So can we think of one that when we're sitting down? Look up. Come here. Let's think of an idea for when we're sitting. Come here. Come here. You want to pick somebody? Okay. Pick somebody with a quiet hand. Christina, where are we going to tap 25 sitting? Ooh, our back. Okay, so let's remember. We're going to do toes, then we're going to stomp 25, and then we're going to tap our back 25 times. Okay, let's start with our toes. Get your feet out. I should hear all smart kindergartners counting today up to 25. That's how many days we have been in school. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready to rock?
Ready to roll.
Ready to rock and roll. I need your feet so we can count. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't hear you.
10, 11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
24, 25, 26.
Oh, have we been in school 26 days? Oh, 25. Remember to stop. Ready? Stomping at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
24, 25.
You stopped all by yourself. All right, so when you get your paper, let's listen to directions. Now is the time for you to follow them. I'm going to be looking. We are going to fill up our 10 frames. How many 10 frames are we filling up, Chris Cross?
3.
Dylan, thanks for raising your hand. How many of these are we going to fill up? Are we going to fill up all 3 all the way? No. EJ, what are we going to do? How many are we going to fill up all the way?
We're going to fill up those 2 all the way.
2, right?
And then
10, 20.
5.
And then how many more, Clyde?
5.
5 more, so let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your 10 frames are going to look like Miss Brady's 10 frames. And right here on the side, you can count by 10s and add 5 more. You ready to try? Thumbs up if you're ready to go. I'm looking to see which table is ready. Let's see. First table can stand up. Dylan, can you take these and pass them? Maybe Naomi can help you. And we're using pencils. Should I have crayons? No, Miss Brady added the date on here today, like scientists, if you'd like to try. The middle table. Alex, can you pass that to your table? Middle table, you can go. Christina, maybe you can help a little bit. And Jenny's table can stand up. And Clyde and Jenny, maybe you can help pass that. And maybe you can